Hi there, it's Chris Perkins, broker owner with Halifax Real Estate Inc. I wanted to talk to you today briefly about statistics because I know how much you love talking about statistics and the first quarter market update for 2023. So we've been saying for months now that as soon as interest rates plateau and the uncertainty and fear subsides, that we expect the supply and demand will take over. Reality is we still have a lack of supply and we have demand which is increasing as the year goes on. We have rental rates which have increased 10% in the last year. We have an extremely low vacancy rate and we expect more people to transition from the rental market back into purchasing a home. You can get a 5-year fixed interest rate at the moment for around 4.64%, which isn't the lowest it's ever been, obviously, but it's also fairly reasonable based on historical rates. So once people know what they're going to pay and they realize what their monthly payments are going to be, that is another reason for them to jump back into the real estate market. The reality is, because of our lack of supply, that our average price actually bottomed out in around September or October of 2022. In that year, from the peak to the low, we saw an average price drop of 16%. We've erased 50% of that drop in the last 5 months. The average price of a home in the last 5 months has gone up by 8%. So supply and demand is taking over, fear and uncertainty is subsiding, and we anticipate that trend to continue as the year goes on. If you were thinking about selling in this market, there is still the potential for multiple offers. In fact, this past March, homes were selling on average for 106% of list price. We haven't seen those sort of multiple offers since last summer. And again, it is driven by a lack of supply. So with the correct strategy, you can absolutely attract multiple offers and sell your home for maximum value. For buyers, this is a transition phase for a lot of people. You can either sit on the sidelines and wait for everybody else to jump back into the market, or you can start planning now. You can get a hold of your mortgage specialist. You can decide if you can afford to purchase now, and then let's look to see if there's anything available. Alternatively, as competition heats up throughout the year, I think you're inevitably going to be facing the prospect of multiple offers, potentially having to deal with offer presentation dates again, where we're not quite there yet. So you could wait for everybody else, or you could jump in and get ahead of things. But every situation is different. We recommend that you reach out to us for a free consultation. We're happy to help you make the best decision about your next move. I'm Chris Perkins, broker owner of Halifax Real Estate Inc. Please let us know what you think about the market in the comments below.